What if I told you there are wolves that don't hunt in forest? They don't chase deer through snow. They don't howl beneath towering trees. Instead, they walk the shoreline. They swim through the ocean, and they hunt beneath the waves. These are not ordinary wolves. They are silent coastal predators living between two worlds. Welcome to the untold story of the sea wolf. Along the wild, rugged coastline of Canada's Pacific Northwest, where dense forests meet the restless ocean, lives a rare and mysterious population of wolves. At first glance, they look familiar. Same sharp eyes, same powerful build. But everything about their lifestyle is different. For generations, these wolves have abandoned the deep forest, choosing instead a life along isolated shores, hidden from human sight. Here, where land and ocean collide, evolution has taken a different path. As summer fades, the coastline transforms. Thousands of salmon surge into shallow streams, fighting their way upstream to spawn. For most animals, this is chaos. For sea wolves, it's opportunity. But catching fish is no easy task. It takes patience, precision, perfect timing. Standing motionless, they wait. Then, like lightning, they strike. In peak season, a skilled wolf can catch up to 30 salmon in just 1 hour. But even abundance comes with danger. Salmon may be plentiful, but they carry a hidden threat. Parasites, deadly bacteria, diseases that can destroy a wolf from the inside. So these predators evolved a shocking strategy. They don't eat the whole fish. Instead, they target the head, devouring the brain and leaving the rest behind. Walk along these shores and you'll find scattered remains everywhere. A silent warning that survival here demands caution. But nature always finds balance. The leftovers attract scavengers, crows, and bald eagles circling patiently above. They descend, tearing apart what remains, consuming parasites and dangerous bacteria. Then something remarkable happens. The wolves return. Now the meal is safe. This is not coincidence. It's an unspoken alliance between hunter and scavenger. Two very different species working together to survive. For these wolves, the ocean is not a barrier. It's a highway. They are powerful swimmers capable of crossing distances up to 12 kilometers between islands. Few wolves on Earth can match this. And when darkness falls, they don't rest. They hunt. With sharp night vision, they move like shadows along the water's edge, fishing under the cover of night where every second matters. Salmon may define them, but it's only part of the story. Nearly 90% of their diet comes from the ocean. They feed on shellfish, crabs, and marine life exposed by low tide, turning the retreating sea into a buffet. And when opportunity strikes, a single marine carcass can feed an entire pack. Nothing is wasted. Everything is survival. Life on the coast has shaped them. Sea wolves are smaller than inland wolves. Leaner, lighter, more agile. But what they lack in size, they make up for in endurance. They can go days without food. And when they feast, they can consume over 5 kilograms in a single sitting. Despite their ocean lifestyle, they are still wolves. And wolves are hunters. They stalk the shoreline, searching for vulnerable prey. Seal pups resting on land, unaware of the danger, with patience and perfect timing. A sudden ambush ends the hunt in seconds. Even creatures of the sea are not always safe. Like all wolves, they live as a family, a pack. But here survival requires something more. Fishing is not instinct. It must be learned. Young pups watch closely, studying every movement, practicing, failing, trying again, until one day they strike with precision, passing knowledge from one generation to the next. This is how sea wolves endure. This unique way of life offers an advantage. Fishing is far less dangerous than hunting large prey. Fewer injuries, fewer deadly encounters. As a result, sea wolves often live longer than their inland relative, reaching around 10 years of age. But danger still exists. Disease, infection, hidden threats in every meal. Survival is never guaranteed. Yet their greatest threat is not nature. It's us. Human hunting still exists, and when one well-known coastal wolf was killed, it sparked outrage across the world. Now, conservation efforts are growing. These wolves are rare, intelligent, and incredibly adaptable. With an estimated population of around 300 individuals, they remain stable for now, but their future is uncertain. Masters of land and ocean, predators that walk the edge of two worlds, silent, patient, unstoppable. These are the sea wolves. If you enjoyed this journey into the wild, don't forget to subscribe, and join us for the next story.